Hello everyone, I hope we're all doing well today. In today's video, I'm going to try my hand out on carving. I've ordered a Rotary tool and it came today. I've got this. Somebody needs to tell me what that is because it's not in the instruction. It came with instructions. The tool itself, and it's quite heavy and pink. And this thing here, let's have a look. Instruction manual. Is there a diagram? Well, it's got a diagram of that. Oops. And this thing here, if somebody can tell me what that is. That. We've got the drill bits. And this thing here. I'm assuming maybe goes over here maybe. Unsure. Again, if anybody knows. And that's all that came in the kit. Right. I'm a novice and this kit doesn't help much instruction wise. Accessories manual, but it just gives you a breakdown of the bits. Oh, this thing here, cutting drilling guide, helpful provision, cutting, drilling and woodworking. So I'm going to have to look that up and see how that works. There's some measurements in there. So that's interesting. I'm going to have to look that up. This thing. It's not on the diagram at all. There's only one page. It's not a booklet. So that's not there. And I take it this is some sort of guard. And that's not there. Brilliant. And that's all that came in the box. And nothing else lifts up. Nothing's hiding. That's just safety and warning. Safety rules for Rotary tool. Product specification and symbols explanation. Nope. It explains how to change the end bits. Colette, it's called. Explains how to install accessories. But no, that doesn't help me. It goes on to talk about grinding, sanding, wheel brushes, cutting, turning the rotary tool on and off, operation speed, examples of you selecting the correct tool. And how to use the rotary tool, cleaning and maintenance, service information and disposal. But nothing on that and nothing on this. This looks like a handle. I'm just well confused, and there's a hole there. Is it something to do with this? And it doesn't say what this is. So now I'm stuck, so I'm not touching it until I know what I'm doing. I'm still going to post this video. If anybody out there can help me with this, I would really appreciate it, because I don't want to be working with something that I don't understand. It's not given a lot of information on there at all. This is just a declaration of conformity. Yeah. Bits in there for sanding, buffing and everything else. So yeah, if somebody can reach out to me who's in the know and let me know what I should be doing with all this. Okay guys, thank you so much. Bye bye.